Good morning, guys. Today, it's November 23 and tomorrow is already a Christmas Eve. And ngayon, nagre-ready ako ngayon kasi aalis kami ngayon papunta sa mom ni Cameron. And si Cameron, andun na siya papunta ng camp para kunin yung car niya. And dito ko na lang siya aantayin kasi umuulan ngayon, guys. So, tinatamad ako. Sabi ko, kunin mo na lang yung car mo dun. Tsaka, sudiin mo na lang ulit ako. Wait lang, guys, ha. Magsusot lang ako ng shoes. Hindi pala ako naligo. Again, hindi ulit ako naligo. Kasi nga, basta malamig. As in, sobrang maulan ngayon, guys. Sobrang maulan ngayon, kaya nakakatamad din gumalaw. Late na nga kami. Actually, maaga kami aalis. Pero, aalis pa din. Late. Okay lang yun. Hindi naman, emergency yung lakad naman. So, guys, magsusot lang ng shoes. Hi, guys! Andito na ako sa car. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Tinatawag ako ng kalikasan. Grabe. Andito na si Cam. Bali, nakadalawa ako. Siguro sa kinain ko kagabi yung kinain ko kasi yung talong na ginawa kong pati. Tapos, grabe talaga. Kumukulo talaga yung tiyan ko. Alam mo yung feeling na nilalamig ka na, pinapawisan, pero basta. And sobrang sakit talaga, hindi ko na napigilan. Nung una, andyan na si Camille, din nakababa na ako. Tapos na-feel ko na naman kumukulo yung chat ko. Grabe yung takbo ko pataas. Buti na lang talaga hindi pa kami nakaalis. And now we're on the way now to Brighton para Puno kami ngayon ng Filipino restaurant. And tingnan nyo, guys, parang ghost town. Kasi wala talaga. Yun. How many minutes, my love? 1 hour and 15 minutes on the way sa Brighton. It's not traffic. Kasi dun kami mag-spend ng Christmas. And yan ang aking poking driver. And hindi akong pinawisan dun na. Grabe talaga. Buti ngayon, sana wag na talagang kumulo yung tiyan ko. Ay naku, Diyos ko, day. Nakakapagod. Parang hindi Christmas dito, guys. Parang hindi mo ma-feel na Christmas. Kasi walang mga parol. Walang mga ka-Christmas light. Wala pa akong nakita mga Christmas light dito. Unlike dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas, maraming mga basta kahit simple lang, mafe-feel mo talaga na Christmas na talaga dyan. Kasi kahit kahit may nakasabit na parol or basta mga Merry Christmas, dito wala. So guys, we're on the way now and sobrang napaka-gloomy ng panahon. Actually, umuulan na siya ngayon, oh. Ayan. Bayan, ganito yung weather ngayon, Christmas dito, umuulan. And tsaka, 'di ba? We'll update you later if andun na kami. Guys, we're almost there. How many minutes, my love? Oh, nagkamali ulit ng way si Cameron. Ano ba yan? Lagi na lang mali. It's always fail, my love. Mukhang haggard ako ngayon kasi hindi ako nakaligo. Pero okay lang. Inaantok pa kasi ako, guys. Are we gonna go down there, my love? Well, lucky you're not in Manila, my love. Because if
I would never drive there.
Because if you're there,
I would never drive in Manila.
don't know what curse you're gonna tell.
I would never drive there in my life.
Really starving now, my love. Guys, dito na kami. Maghahanap lang kami ng parking lot and baka mamaya pupuntahan namin yung kapatid niya na nagtatrabaho dito. Alright, maybe we were gonna go on Charles' work.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Welcome to Manila Bay. Charot. Ayan, dyan nagtatrabaho yung kapatid niya, oh. There. Sa malaking ano na yan, bilog. Sa ano pala. What is that called, my love?
What?
That one?
What?
The tall one?
A building?
Yeah, that's where Charlie works, right?
Oh, the I-360.
I-360. Why is it called I-360?
Because it's a 360-degree view. You go up there, you can see everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's not even finished yet. It's not finished. I mean, it hasn't gone.
Guys, we're here na. Nag-ano lang si Cam ng mapaparkingan. Ay, dito na pala kami sa parking lot, guys. Yun, and then dito na kami sa taas. My baby is really serious. Did I give you that? Where we're gonna go, Milo? Just use the stair. Guys, tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Papunta yan sa taas hanggang taas. Ayan. It's called British Airways I-360. Yan, hanggang doon yan sa dulo. Guys, andito kami sa loob ng British I-360 and since dito nagtatrabaho yung kapatid ni Cam, ayun, free yung ticket namin. How much is supposed to be, my love? My love, how much is it supposed to be?
£15 each?
Yeah, £15 each. So, ngayon nakalibre kami. So, thank you to Charlie.
Yeah.
We'll go upstairs.
You scared now?
No? Why am I scared? Okay, see you upstairs, guys. Papakita namin sa inyo yung view sa taas. Kasi 360 siya. Look at that. It looks massive. It looks like spaceship. See you up there, guys. And pagkatapos nito, maghahanap kami ng Korean shop kasi maghahanap ako ng kimchi. And also, kung ano makita namin doon. And pupunta kami ng Filipino restaurant, as I said. So, yun, guys. So, guys, ayan, oh, pababa na siya, guys. And, sabi ni Charlie, 25 minutes daw yung ano niya sa taas. Yung stay niya doon sa taas.
It's like a spaceship.
Yeah, and it looks really massive. How did they build this, my love?
Enjoy a safe environment. As you move around to enjoy our facilities, please respect the social distancing managers and remember to see your groups as a separate. To all markings on the floor,
We're going up. I will marry him. Guys, pababa na kami guys. And after nito, pupunta na rin kami ng Korea. So, my love, I said yes again, my love, on Marry Me.
Oh yeah.
So, tinawa ng babae na ginawan niyan. My love, that girl is lucky.
Why?
Because he made that for her. Maybe they went here, upstairs, just to do that.
Maybe.
Right? So, you should do that as well. Tara!
I did do it, that was me.
Yeah, he did that for me, my love. I'm so touched.
Yeah.
I'm so touched by touched. Okay.
There's someone really put okay on it.
Itigil mo na yan. Itigil mo na yan, my love. Itigil mo na.
Yeah.
Guys, papunta na kami ng Filipino store and at the same time dadaan kami sa Korean shop kasi on the way din naman doon sa pupuntahan namin yung Korean shop. So, nandito kami ngayon sa ano, what is this called, mula? Beach side? Ano? Seaside. Beach side. Seaside pala, guys. So, palakad kami. How many minutes, my love?
20.
Oh, tragis, 20 minutes. That's gonna be really, really far, my love.
Oh, is this what you want? Cutesy. What do you want?
Yan.
This is where they play volleyball in the summer.
Oh, beach volleyball. Oh, dito daw sila naglalaro ng beach volleyball.
Are they gonna play now?
Sobrang mainit na ngayon, kanina sobrang ulan, tapos ngayon sobrang init pa siya. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Vietnamese food. Yung pangalan ng restaurant is Po. And yung kukunin namin is yung Vietnamese noodle soup. Ayan. Ano na siya, parang
Hello. Yeah.
So, what did you got, my love?
Beef brisket.
Beef brisket with hot coffee.
Vietnamese coffee.
Ito kami ngayon. Medyo mainit na, guys. Sobrang init ng costume ko. My costume is hot, my love. My costume.
Hey, jacket on. So you should...
Is it good? Like the chips good. Yan, may paganyan. Then, yan. And I have a iced coffee. And ramen. Kain tayo, guys. Malabis at the camera is right. The coffee is good.
Is it?
noodles nila guys, tas ang laki-laki pa. Tas ang sarap din ng coffee nila. Iced coffee yung sa akin, kay Cameron hot coffee. And then meron kaming prawns dito, prawn crackers. Then may pa halaman sila dyan, ganyan. Good, my love? Kain tayo. It's weird.
Come now.
Hi guys.
Can't see it all.
Guys, hindi ko maubos yung sa akin. Kaya, tingnan mo si Cam, tinatry niyang ubusin. Go, my love. Go. You can finish that. Sobrang busog na busog ako, guys. Tsaka nakakabusog yung beef nila. Sobrang kapal kasi ng tsaka ano, lasang ano, hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba. Lasang tawag nito, halaman, mga halaman. Kasi sa mga ganito, hindi ko kinain, baka sumakit yung tiyan ko. So, tapos na kami guys, and after nito, punta na kami sa mom niya. I will try to vlog there. Hopefully makapag-vlog ako. So, sooner ikapost ko na tong vlog na to. Right, my love? Did you enjoy the food? Me, 10 out of, rate 1 to 10. 6. Next time, we try Japanese one. First time namin hindi mag-away, guys. Not first time. Well, we're trying our best not to argue about food. And last time, lagi kami nag-aaway, pero ngayon tinatry na namin yung best namin. And sarap sa feeling na hindi pala nag-aaway, no, na about sa pagkain, kung saan kakain. Kaya yun, naubos ko na yung iced coffee ko. Ang sarap. Marab, you can finish your coffee? Can you put some? Guys, dito na kami sa car and papunta na kami sa pababa na kami ng tawag nito ay naku, parang ginakuga ako ang aking costume. Pabalik na kami sa pauwi na kami sa sa bahay nila, sa bahay ni Cameron. Papunta na kami doon and now we're going down. Pababa na kami ng parking lot and sobrang mahal ng parking dito guys, 8 pounds. So, kalain nyo yun. How many hours did we park here? Yeah, 3 hours. Samantalang doon sa mall na pinuntahan namin ng nakarang araw, free lang yun. Last time pala, free lang yun. Samantalang dito, 8 pounds talaga. Diyos ko tayo. Diyos Maria, Sep. So, yan guys. Hindi ako masyadong makapag-vlog kasi nga madalian yung paglakad and super busy, maraming tao. And baka anytime makabangga ako. And si Cameron, alam mo naman, kailangan madalian talaga. So, no choice. And ayun. We're going out now and see you there. 35 minutes away from here ang bahay nila.
Should only be 15.
Should be only 15 minutes only, but it's traffic, right? Yeah, so instead of 15 minutes, it turns 35 minutes. So, yan guys. Don't compare the...
In Africa, they're all washing the same.
How's the driving experience here?
It's good, but I can't see.
Well, you can put down your
Yeah, it's not working because the sun's over there. This thing is it?
May windmill doon guys, so. Windmill! Tapos may mga barko-barko dyan.
I'm gonna buy a boat.
Yan. Yan, windmill, very warm. my babies.
Just wait till you drive and see how stressed you feel.
I'm not gonna drive, my love. Never gonna happen that. Never gonna, you know, happen. Won't happen that. It will never happen. Hi guys. Kanina pa kami dito actually. Nakaligo na ako and hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi nag-usap kami. Like, chika-chika ng kaunti. Not kaunti, ng madami pala. And nag-chikahan din kami ng tatay niya kasi pumunta din dito. So, ayun. I will end this vlog guys and that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys in my next one.